Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. Tuesday, 27th day of May is today, 2025. This is another indictment on the governor of Anambra State and his security outfit called Operation Udogache. That is, there will be peace. Now, before now, in Anambra State, there has been a lot of kidnapping and so on and so forth. That time, I said that there is no political will from the politicians, especially Soludo, to curb all these things. When this issue started, I discovered that most of the kidnappers in the southeast are political machineries of the politicians. Some of the politicians in the southeast are using them as tools. But the same politician will label them ipob. Stay with me in this video because there is a shocking truth that I'm still going to show you today. There was a video I published the day before yesterday that I analyzed about the illegal detention of this security outfit called Udogache. And I was asking questions like, how are they doing all this things? The people that are dying there, what is going on? And a lot of persons attacked me. But that is not my business. Now, I want you to pay attention to these clips you're about to watch. The receipts you are seeing on the screen right now are the proof of ransom payment to Operation Udogache. The security outfit that Governor Soludo of Anambra State is overseeing, monitoring, these people are kidnapping, collecting ransom, threatening people that if you talk, I kill you. And there is an alleged, informations everywhere that these people are killing people mercilessly. Now, the question is, what is the essence of, if you take a killer and make a killer and put him into your security outfit, the killer will still remain a killer. Now, let me digress a little. If you take a Boko Haram and put into army and you call him the repentant Boko Haram, they will still do the same work they are doing. This has been proven. So if you take your machinery you have been using to indict ipob, politicians will use thugs to do what they want to do, they will call them ipob. Later you people use them to fund security outfit. They are now kidnapping people. How are you going to solve this problem? How many people are you going to arrest and detain and send to prison for kidnapping people and collecting ransom? This is a serious something, Soludo. And I want the world to pay attention because these people, there are a lot of information I have now that I'm still verifying. The people they are collaborating who have been, carrying out evil things in the southeast. I asked a question, who killed Azoka, that House of Assembly member who won through court, Labour Party in Anambra? Who killed them? Where are they today? Who arrested them? Where were they detained? Why did they run away? Who charged them to court? There are so many questions we want to ask. If you really know what is in the deep of all these your politicians, if you wake up tomorrow, if you see them, you start pursuing them. So I want you to pay attention and listen to this victim. This is not a story of news or we said alleged. No. We are talking about someone, a victim is narrating. And I have this type of videos, many. This is not the only video I have. So I will be releasing them one after the other. But I will do proper investigation before I release them. So this one now has come out to talk about his ordeal with Soludo security outfit. Pay attention and listen.
My name is Chibike. I want to use this opportunity to explain my encounter with a security outfit in Anambra State. I went inside a boutique shop to make some purchase. So, on the process of making this purchase, there was a misconception and misunderstanding between me and the boutique owners about the number of clothes that I wanted to purchase. And they now called the Udogache people for me. That I want to steal, I stole one of their clothes at a short necker. So on this process, the Udogache people told me to make a transfer to the girl's account. I made a transfer of 458,000 naira to the girl because she was claiming that I have to pay for everything that has been missing in her shop for the past years. So after making this transfer to the girl's account. They still collected the 80,000 I wanted to use and purchase the short knicker. Now, they now took me to an unknown destination. Under heavy torture, they opened my account. We spent like 1 hour before getting to that destination. It's inside the bush. So, on our getting to this destination, they now handcuffed me and started torturing me that I should transfer the whole money in my account. I told them that my limit for the day is 500,000 naira, because they opened my account and they saw about 9 million naira there. So they now said I must do the 9 million or they will waste me. And I should choose between my life and the money in my account. That I should choose one out of the two. I told them that I choose my money, but my limit is 500,000. So after making all effort to withdraw the 9 million and it was not going. They tried 5 million, tried 2 million, it was not going. They now said I should do the 500K. So I did it the first day. They detained me there, handcuffed me there, inside that place. Nobody was there. It was a very lonely place. They handcuffed me there for another day. After 12 in the night, they said I should do another transfer. The third day again, they said I should do another transfer. So amounting, the whole total amount I did for them was 1.4 million naira. Which I have my evidences. I have the receipt number. Of the name of the communication was one Mr. Cool Communication. It's a money point account. So now when after everything, after withdrawing the whole money in my account, they now told me that if they ever hear outside that I went to report this thing to the police or anywhere, that they are going to kill me. They now collected my phone, called my wife, and I started asking my wife where we live. My wife, out of because they have been looking for me for 4 good days. I wasn't to be found anywhere. So they even went to their headquarters and reported. They said there is nobody there. They also went to the police, all the police stations. They said there is nobody there. So nobody knows where I am. I was inside that bush for 4 days. So my wife even tracked my number with my phone, because they offed my phone and I couldn't communicate with anybody. So now, after collecting this money from my account, what they now did for me, they made a video that has been circulating on the net now. They made a video on me, on duress, telling me that I should accept that I'm a criminal, I stole somebody's clothes and I've been stealing people's machine with my motor. So that they should forgive me, that I'm not going to come that place again to steal, that they should please forgive me. So after saying that, he now said I should repeat it. I repeated it down. They now started the video. So that video was on duress. All the things I said in that video was on duress. It was on heavy torture.
So this is what is going on in Anambra State. How do you feel about this? Just tell me, how do you feel about this? Just type it on the comment section. How do you feel? Do you think that there is hope for people? That when you are scared that there are kidnappers killing you, and you hear that there is a security outfit that is about to save you, and the same security outfit is now kidnapping you, extorting you, threatening you, killing you. See, we can't continue like this. That is for sure. We can't continue like this. Now, do you remember Soludo saying that even though Nnamdi Kanu is released, that he can't solve the insecurity challenges in the southeast? That statement is voluminous. That statement is deep. Now, even though Nnamdi Kanu has been released now, tell me, a governor set up a security outfit and the security outfit is now kidnapping. Does it make sense? It doesn't. It doesn't make sense. This security outfit must be dissolved. If Soludo did not dissolve the security outfit, we will gather these people, The ransom they have paid, all these things, all these videos, their testament, we gather them to court, and court is going to dissolve Soludo security outfit. If Soludo did not dissolve the security outfit before election, court is going to dissolve it, because I don't know what they are doing. See, we hate crime. We were happy when Soludo set up the security outfit, because I am one of the people that always keep criticizing Soludo that he's doing nothing to, bring the insecurity challenges in Anambra into shovel. But looking at what is going on now, the security outfit is set up, it goes a long way to tell you about who were responsible for the kidnapping as well before. Who is responsible? Now, another thing I want to tell you. Soludo is arresting people who are doing charms and all those things, right? Operation Udogache are using charms as well. This is just, it doesn't make sense. Come on, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't make sense. Some of them also wear charms. It doesn't make sense. Who is doing the charm for them? It doesn't make sense, Soludo. It doesn't make sense. It's just 4 years, your administration. Know that after these 4 years, maybe you still have grace of 4 years, or maybe you don't have it. I don't know. I'm not from Anambra State. So if you have grace of 4 years, that is just 8 years. And after the 8 years, what next? Where is Obiano today? Where is Chris Ngige? Where are these people? Soludo is just 8 years. After 8 years, what next? What next? So, all these things, it doesn't make people to be comfortable. We are talking about the problem we have, the insecurity challenges. So security outfit should not be a major concern of people now. We should be talking about the Fulanis who just invade Imo State as I speak to you. We should be talking about people who are ready to carry out attack again in Enugu State. We should be talking about the recent escalation now that they are trying to call herders and farmers in Ebonyi, that will still escalate and people will die. In Delta State, it's already under siege. Down to Edo, down to Yoruba, Kwara, Oshun, all those areas. Where is safe? None. These are the things we ought to be talking about, not your own people killing you as well. And these people's activities have been linked to, they have labeled them. I think that is the right word to use. They have labeled them as ipob, whereas they are not. Imagine if these people are not under Soludo, they will still be kidnapping. Yeah, they will still be collecting ransom. They will still be doing it, even though they are not under Soludo. And Soludo will keep on calling them ipob because of the fear of Nnamdi Kanu. They fear Kanu's influence. Kanu does not use force. Kanu uses influence. Anyway, let me reserve my comments for the next video about this same security outfit. I'm coming with another video. For I just want to show people the kind of things that happen in the Southeast data that we call ipob. I rest my case. I'm Okocha myself, talking reality out of issues. If you have not subscribed to this channel, subscribe. We have a lot of stocks for you, reporting the insecurity going on from around the country, telling you nothing but the truth that is going on in Nigeria. And as I always said, Nigeria is not sustainable.